We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy and we mentioned the target is 0.12 followed by 0.1286. As you can see, the price tag even the first and the second target, and now we start to correct. No one see what's the next. Again, we have been looking for buy and this is what we get. And whoever get the trade, they should start to manage it if they want to keep the trade, because as we can see, the price almost tagged the take profits. All right, now we want to see what's the next. If we refer to the indicators, we don't see the divergence, and but here we have a divergence. Now we want to see whether we can look for continuation or reversal. Okay, in this case we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only things is based on daily chart we want to see, and we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, which is around 0.145. Okay, anyway, even based on daily chart, if we want to look for trade, we need to see the correction here. All right, in this case we have nothing, so we move to forward chart. We want to see what we have based on forward chart, and even based on forward chart, the only thing is we don't have a trade setup from now. If we want to look for trade, as long as the price haven't broke 0.14, that means within this range we need to be quite careful, because we're buying at the top of this one, this correction. That means if we want to look for buy. All right, and the only thing is if he wants to look for continuation, the best thing is if we get the correction similar to what we have here. Anyway, even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is whatever the trade we get, we have to start to manage. And if we want to look for trade from now with the small flags or correction or similar to what we have here, we consider as a short term. Again, any trade within this move, as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, we consider as a short term trade. The only things we do right now, we start to manage our trades. And if we want to look for trade, either we get the deeper correction similar to what we have here. This is the best things, but as I mentioned, any trade, even if the price continue from here, we can look for trade with a small flag, but this considered as a short-term trade. In this case, we don't have any proper trade setup, okay? And the only thing is, right now we should start to manage the trades. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.